So Canva just released a new video editor called Canva Video 2.0 last week, and it is having mixed feelings in the Canva universe, as some people like it and others don't. In this video, I will show you what I used to do when creating clients' video that helped me work faster, and how this new video editor has slowed down my work speed. And also, I will show you how you can switch back to the old video editor if that is what you want to use. So the other day, I got a WhatsApp message from a client that I've been working with for a very long time now, and he said he wanted a video urgently. So I went ahead now and I asked for the video script, and he sent it to me. For those of you wondering, this is French because our country is bilingual, so he wanted to target the French population. So this is a script. So I copied the script, did the voiceover, and imported it into Canva. When I opened Canva, there was a message here at this top saying that there's a new Canva editor. Will I like to try it? So I thought that was a good idea for me to try a new thing, but I was wrong. So I opened it and I started editing. Everything was going on smoothly. There was multiple layers, some new features, and some new changes. After finishing this my first scene, I met now a serious problem. I will reveal now a secret that I used to use to speed up my workflow when working with clients. Meaning, my client is a delivery service. So I used to just copy and paste scenes that I have already created in other projects to new projects when I'm working with him. That is some scenes that are time consuming. I don't usually go and create them from scratch. I just go and copy it from the other project and import it. So in practice, here is what I'm saying. If you go back to an old project that I created for him, this project is an old project that I've created for him since a long time ago. If you come here to this scene, like I said, it's a delivery service. If you scroll and you come to this particular scene, now when I was creating this scene, it took me a long time to create it because these bikes here and these logos on it are not his own. It's just the logo that is his own, sorry, but the bikes are not his own. So I had to upload the logo, imported it here, resize it, position it well for it to be on the bikes as if it is his own, but the bikes, they are not his own. I want to move it so you see. So I could not move it because I had locked it, but now I've unlocked it. So as you can see, I can move it. As you can see, that is his logo. I can move it. So I just made these bikes here, then I position his logo for it now to seem as if this picture is his own, of the image now showing how he has delivery bikes. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So that is how it is. Now I do not want to create this particular scene again from scratch. So what I usually do is I usually come here and I just copy it to the new scene or the new project that I'm working on. But when I did it here, it did not work. So let me show you. I'll just come to a particular scene like this one now. I'll just on the keyboard Ctrl C, then I take it to the new project that I'm working on, Ctrl V. So as you can see, it has been added. It has been added, but there's a problem. It has been added in this. This is a new Canva Video Editor, Canva 2.0 Video Editor. It has been added, but not like it used to be added. Let me just say, as you can see, these are the logos on it. But now it has been added now on a different page. I cannot even see the other videos that the other pages that I had already been created. I cannot see it again until I come here to this where it said exit video. If I click on it, that is when I can see the video now. Like this is the first thing that I've done, the first page, and this is the page that I've copied now from the other project. You see, it has come now like two separate pages. I cannot really work on it like minimize it or work on it the way it's going to flow naturally with the voiceover. in this case it will be complicated or difficult to work with it like this. Let me show you the old Canva video editor. You understand what I'm saying? This is a new one, and this is the old Canva video editor. Let me do the same thing again for you to see it, because finally all the project was done but with the old Canva video editor. Of course I had to go back, but I will show you how to go back to the old Canva video editor. So this is the old Canva video editor. We'll do what we just did with the new Canva video editor. Here is the old project. I'll come again, I'll copy the scene, Control C. I'll come to the old Canva video editor, Control V. So as you can see, this is a scene that has been added immediately after the last scene that I had. Immediately after this last scene, the new scene has been added. That is it. Meanwhile, I have copied it but from another project. You see, I can just come here and I will just, it is on the same, it flows the same. I can just come here and easily customize it. As I have the voiceover down here, I can just easily come here and customize it naturally like that. As you see, this is a scene that I've just duplicated and I've used it in the video. But in this new Canva video editor, you see the way it is placed. It is very difficult to work with it like this, making use of this voiceover, because the voiceover have to flow naturally with the images that are coming on. So in this case it is very difficult. That's what I wanted to show you. But with the older one, it is very fast, because I can just go now and I copy a scene that I've already did in another project and just come here and I paste it and I move along faster. If you want me to do a breakdown of how I create these simple videos like this for clients, you should drop it in the comment section. If more people request it, I'm going to create a video like this. But now, if you don't, you can judge it on yourself. You can go in and create videos and you judge it on yourself. But as for me, I will be using this old Canva video editor. Meanwhile, I'm waiting that they arrange the new one, maybe update more things there. But for now, I'm not going to be using it. But based on you, you can see if you like to use it or not. But just this particular thing like this is a no for me. So if you want to come back to the old Canva video editor, you come to home screen, you come to where it says setting, you click on it, setting, you scroll down where it says video editing, use new multi-track video editor beta. New video designs are open in the beta editor. This will be switched on if you accidentally switch it on, like I said when I was starting. This will be switched on. So all you have to do now is just come and you toggle it off. You see, you toggle it off. When you toggle it off now, if you come now and you start a new Canva project, it's going to start now using the old Canva video editor. If you have been watching so far and this video has helped you to clear out some things, please just give the video a like. Also, comment down below, as a Canva video editor or as someone who is using Canva for some time now, this new Canva video editor, do you think it is nice? Have you used it? What are the shortcomings you have been having? Drop it down in the comment section. You might don't know, your complaints might reach the Canva team and they will see what they can do to adjust it. So that was the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Subscribe if you want to see more videos.